On July the 2nd, 2019, at 9 a.m. in the morning, a meeting of representatives of the Clearfield Conservation District representatives and MS4 Instructor Jason A. Snyder, PE, LTAP, and MS4 Instructor. He was the instructor for a Road Scholarship Workshop, Stormwater Facilities Operations and Maintenance. And Councilor Calvin Glass, the business manager at that time, and Councilor Gerald W. Spades Sr. were present for that meeting. And Rebecca Holler, who was the dirt and gravel road specialist, was there also in gumboots, and we were looking at the Myers Run project. As you see, the site for the stormwater that came down what is known as Myers Run. And the Clearfield County Conservation District Representative Rebecca Holler did sampling of the water. And I have a letter that I generated as a thank you letter to her, and it reminded me of the fact that she discovered that there was low pH in the water, and basically she said the stream that was coming off of the hill was acid water, and the project was taken from the Clearfield County Conservation District and placed into the hands of the Department of Environmental Protection, or DEP. And DEP has not responded since that meeting at 9 a.m. in the morning here in the borough. We spent most of the day and had lunch together, and we were discovering what had to be done. The proposed remedy or resolution for the that project, or the remediation of the Myers Run stream that comes down over the hill that it had flooded the area and caused considerable damage, that would require an engineer to develop a plan and remedy for the Myers Run project. Secondly, there would need to be permitting by DEP, and ENR had to be a ENR form would have had to have been completed for erosion and settlement issues. In April the 19th, 2021, a new council was unlawfully formed, and the newly appointed alleged president stated that he was going to remedy the project without all the protocols that was necessary. And so there is evidence that there was something done to remediate the entrance area that you see now, and apparently a pipe was inserted and it was backfilled without proper permitting or design by an engineer. Thank you for the privilege to present this issue. I believe they are in violation of the statutes for dealing with stream control, requiring at least an 811 call before you dig and a plan for putting a pipe in the area. There has been at this time a denial of the record of how they did the remediation.